Hi, my name is Freya Schäfer. I'm working at FiBL Germany and I'm involved in the LiveSeeding project. I'm a researcher and I'm working on estimating the supply and demand of organic seed in Europe. And we have done this estimation now for the second time, and we can see that the amount of organic seed and the volume is increasing, but at the same time the area of organic farming is increasing too. We can see that even though the organic farming area is growing, there's not so much organic seed available at the same time, so we really need to foster more organic seed supply. This does not apply for all crops and all countries. There's in some countries we're very progressive and successful in increasing the supply of organic seed. For instance, in the Central and the Northern European countries, there is a lot of organic seed supply and increase of seed supply. However, in the southern countries, there is still a lack of organic seed. And also sometimes in the European or Eastern European countries, there is not sufficiently organic seed, or some of the seed that is produced in Eastern Europe is sold to Central Europe. So we need to find solutions to foster the uptake of organic seed in the Southern and the Eastern European countries. In the Central and in the Northern European countries, the arable crops and mainly the cereals are quite okay and quite good. It is easier to produce them because you can contract a farmer to multiply the seed for you, for the seed supplier. For the vegetable crops, often the problem is that you need to have the mother and the father line to multiply the hybrid seed, and the hybrid seed is a predominant seed type used in the vegetables, and therefore we need to encourage the actors to multiply the hybrids under organic conditions. We can see that some companies are very active in the organic sector and they have a high motivation to produce organic seed because they can see an increase of demand, while there are other companies, they mainly work for conventional seed and produce conventional seed. They don't see organic at the moment as a solution or potential market, but with this phasing out of derogations by the end of 2036, there is a clear market that will evolve, and therefore it is important to motivate the seed supplier that are not yet active in organic seed production to upscale their organic seed production. We are in contact with Euroseeds, the Association of Seed Suppliers and Breeders in Europe, and they see a possibility to phase out the use of non-organic seed by the end of 2036. They published guiding principles, and we can see that if some incentives are set both from the enabling part, like the policy, for the seed supplier, if they supply more organic seed, the pull side where the uptake is increased, then we can see that this is going hand in hand, and the larger actors in the organic sector that at the moment supply most of the organic seed, they are aware of this deadline and they are preparing, and they are motivated to upscale the production, but we also need to motivate and convince and encourage the smaller actors at the local level to become active and to start to explore options to produce seed under organic conditions. Organic seed, as other inputs, are relevant for organic farming because organic farming is working with organic inputs, and same as the feed for the animals, the seed are the starting point of production. Without seed you can't produce any feed or food, and therefore organic seed is relevant and organic planting material for the organic farming sector. For many years organic seed is playing a role, but non-organic seed is playing a more dominant role in organic production and or in organic farming, and therefore there was a lack of the development of the organic sector to produce more organic seed. And with the implementation of the Organic Regulation 2008-848, there is a clear target and deadline to phase out the use of non-organic seed. It's 11 years ahead. Anyhow, to prepare for this, we are very active and want to motivate actors to start organic seed production and breeding for organic farming.